Hi, I'm happy to inform that first part of the project is now done. So I'll just show you how to do it. So this is the link. I will send this link to you. This is a test document that I've prepared since the add-on is not yet published. So what you can do is you can go to File, make a copy, and then just copy it. And what this is now doing is it is going to generate a Google document in your Google Drive. So this Google document is now, this copy of the document is now owned by you. And once you have done that, then you can go to Tools and Script Editor. So this is all the script that I have written for you. You just need to change the configuration, like the client spreadsheet ID is this one, the stats spreadsheet ID is this one. So if there is anything you want to change, please change over here, don't change anything else. Now once you have this script, you can go to code and then select on open and click on run. This is just a one-time process to grant the authorization. So I'll select the account from which I want to grant the authorization, and I'll click go to, and I'll click on allow. Once that is done, I have successfully granted the authorization, and then I'll see add-ons, insert stats over here. So let's say I want to insert my stat over here. So I'll do insert stats. Right now I'm not authorized, I have not purchased, so it will show me a sign up button like this, and I've tried to design it the best I could. So as you can see, the topic does not appear, the source does not appear, year does not appear, and there is a sign up button. When you click on this, it will take you to your website from where users can sign up, and once they have signed up, then I'll show you. This email will appear over here. Right, once this email is over here and I do insert stats, so now I am authorized to view. So you'll see this loading icon, and now I can view all the stats. So it is really cool. I can search for a keyword. So for example, I'll say 4. So it will show me all the stats which have 4 in there. And then I can also, as you can see, this topic is also refined automatically, meaning with this keyword 4, there are 2 topics: workspace, culture, and retail. Now let me show you. This is showing all the topics. If I select digital marketing, then I'll see over here global web index. If I select let's say social media, then I'll see this one. And if I select retail, then I'll see Salesforce and worker stats, right? So it is automatically filtering, everything is working. So if I select 2018, it is just going to show me the data from 2018. If I select year, then it will show me both the 2018 and 2019 data. Now I've worked hard and I've tested it multiple times, so you don't have to worry about this. So this is how the filter works. Now once you want to insert, then you can select one of these. So let me just select. So let's say I select one from this fraud category, one from the digital marketing category, and you can see as soon as you select, the selected stat is highlighted, and also this button appears over here. It says insert 2 selected stats. So if I click this one, it becomes insert 3 selected stats. Now once I click on this, it says stats were successfully inserted, and as you can see, the stats are inserted over here and with the link. So this is the next stat, and this is the third stat. Okay, so I hope you like it. Please let me know how you like it.